Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Shirona, or you could just call me Rona for short. So, pretty much today, I am going to be cleaning this living room. You can pretty much see the Halloween aftermath. I also have a daughter who has a birthday party coming up, so it's really time for me to organize all of my party supplies. I have so many. And you know how you go to the store and you buy all these different things and you're thinking, I already had that. Why did I throw that away? So I plan on not only cleaning, but also organizing all of my party supplies so that even this weekend, we have a party coming up this weekend, I can find those things and I don't have to go out and buy any more things. So first, let me just kind of show you really fast what it is I'm working with. I have this huge tote here, and I probably will choose to organize this a little bit differently later, but for right now, I think this is a pretty deep tote and it should house all of these things. Yeah, pretty much you name it, I have it. It's like a mix of after Halloween sales mixed with things that we use for Halloween and just arts and crafts materials. I mean, paints and headbands and fake hair and bundles, all of that. So yeah, it's just kind of a lot going on here. So it's time to clean it with Rona. Oh, as you can see, I'm dancing. I tend to, play music when I clean. It just helps me move faster. But yeah, I chose to store the items, just little loose items, in gallon-sized Ziploc bags. I find that, for things like this, it's just easier to store them that way, and they're space savers. You can write on them, everything. Now, by this time, my youngest daughter had just told me that she got a doll stuck in her hair. Genie from Aladdin, to be exact. But yeah, all it took was just a little pull. And with that, she's off. Seems like a mother's job is never done. Oh, well, looky here. Found some money. Thank you. So I remembered that I almost forgot to take down the little streamers that I had up for the mummy effect. I also forgot to put up the things that were on the bar in the bin. So I had to take some things back out, rearrange a few things, but it's all good. Victory pose, or whatever that was. All right, so this is the finished product. I do still need to vacuum, but I may take the bougie route and use my iRobot. Don't tell anybody. But yeah, so of course my kitchen still needs to be cleaned, but that'll be on another Clean It With Rona video. But yeah, it's straightened and ready for the iRobot to come and do his thing. So if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Clean It With Rona.